Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to reset the programmable timer control. First of all, you press the reset. Okay, reset. Okay, now reset. As you can see, the control is off. Then long press the program push button. Okay, but then search the date and time. Yeah, date and time. Then press the OK. Okay, then select what time you reset, the present time. Put it. That's the present time. Okay, then the minutes. 60. Okay, then press OK. But then search the date. Then press OK. And then select the year. Okay, now it's 2025. So I select 2025. Then press OK. Then month. Now is October. 10. Press select 10. Then press OK. Then date. Now is October 21. Select 21. Okay, then press the OK. Then search the end. Select end. Then search the time program. Okay, then add program 1, channel 1, and the program, and select the off. On, select the on. Okay, then press OK. Then select what time on. Select 5. 5 is I put 17 because 17 minus 12 because 5. That's 17 is 5 p.m. Then select the minutes. Then put a 0. Okay, then press until 7 on. Then add again. Then program 2 and put in channel 1 also. Then the program. Then select the off. Yeah, off position. Then OK. Then select what time off. Okay, put 7 a.m. Okay, then put a 0, 7 o'clock a.m. Then press OK. Then press 7 times until 7. Okay, then search the end. Okay, end. Okay, search the end. Okay, now the time is 8:18 and October 21, 2025. As you can see, the control is in auto position and now is off. And the switch on after 5 p.m. 5 o'clock. Okay guys, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.